looking for the best cryptocurrency to invest in 2025. In this video, I'll break down the top crypto projects with massive potential, price projections, and key trends driving the market. Whether you're into altcoins like XRP, XLM, or Hedera, or looking for the next Bitcoin, this is your go-to crypto guide for 2025. What's the best cryptocurrency to invest in 2025? That's the question everyone's asking as we move into a new cycle. In this video, I'm breaking down my top crypto picks for 2025, with price predictions, project highlights, and why they could explode in value. If you're serious about building wealth through crypto, you don't want to miss this. 2025 is shaping up to be a breakout year for crypto. Historically, the year after a Bitcoin halving, which we're expecting in April 2024, is when the biggest gains happen. Think 2017, think 2021. So if the pattern holds, 2025 could be massive. But this time, it's not just about Bitcoin. Utility-based cryptos are gaining ground, and that's where the real opportunity lies. First up is XRP. This is one of the most undervalued large-cap cryptos in the market right now. Ripple is pushing for global adoption of its payment system, and with the SEC case finally moving toward resolution, XRP has room to run. Current price, around 60 cents. Price prediction for 2025, $3 to $10 depending on adoption and regulatory clarity. Why I like it: fast, scalable, and laser-focused on real-world use in banking and finance. Next is HBAR. This is not your average blockchain. It's built on hashgraph technology, and it's backed by some of the biggest names in tech like Google, IBM, and Boeing. Current price, around 10 cents. Price prediction for 2025, $1 to $3, depending on ecosystem growth and enterprise use. Why I like it: it's energy efficient, super fast, and already has major enterprise adoption in motion. HBAR is one of the most slept-on projects in the space. Third is Stellar Lumens, XLM. If XRP is focused on institutions, Stellar is focused on individuals, especially cross-border payments and financial inclusion. Current price, around 12 cents. Price prediction for 2025, $1 to $2.50. Why I like it: it's a fast, low-cost network that's already being used in real-world financial applications, especially in underbanked countries. Quick-fire bonus picks if you're looking for more upside. Casper, KAS. Superfast proof-of-work coin with serious potential. Injective, INJ. A powerhouse in the DeFi sector. Arbitrum, RB. A major layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. VeChain, VIT. Huge use case in supply chain tracking. So what's my approach? I'm dollar cost averaging into these projects and diversifying across both high-cap and mid-cap coins. I watch trends, track adoption, and pay close attention to macroeconomic signals like interest rates, regulation, and institutional moves. If you're serious about crypto in 2025, don't just chase hype. Drop a comment below. What's your top crypto pick for 2025? If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Look at real-world utility, partnerships, and long-term sustainability. XRP, HBAR, and XLM are at the top of my list, but always do your own research. These projects show promising adoption rates and strong partnerships. By analyzing these trends and market signals, we can make more informed investment decisions. Remember, the crypto market is dynamic and ever-changing. Stay informed and adaptable. As we move towards 2025, keep an eye on regulatory developments and technological advancements in the crypto space. The future of finance is being shaped right now. Stay informed, stay ahead, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments.